Robin Pajamatics TV.
Solution of a quadratic equation by factoring. The zero product property. In mathematics, the zero product property states that if A and B are mathematical expressions and A, B is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. We can use this property in a series of steps to find the solutions of a quadratic equation. Answer and explanation. The steps that we use to solve a quadratic equation by factoring are as follows. Put the equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants. Next step, you just factor ax squared plus bx plus c. Next is use the zero product property to each factor equal to 0. And lastly, solve each of the resulting equation for x. Examples. Solve by factoring. First step, you just transform to the standard form. X squared minus 6x is equal to negative 8. So, we just x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Next step is you just square the binomial. So it's just become x minus 4 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. And lastly, just factor the member. X minus 4 is equal to 0. And all you have to do is you just inverse negative 4. The right side will become positive 4. Check if x is equal to 4. 16 minus 24 plus 8 is equal to 0. It's correct. Next is you just factor left member. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So just inverse negative 2 to right. So it will become x is equal to 2. We just check if x is equal to 2. It will become 4 minus 12 plus 8 is equal to 0. So we check it is correct. Another example by factoring. X plus 2 quantity squared is equal to 9. So this is the solution. X squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 is equal to 0. So you just square the binomial. So it will become x squared plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Next step is you just transform to standard form. So it will become x plus 5 plus parenthesis times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So factor first the left member. X plus 5 is equal to 0. The right side just factor x minus 1 is equal to 0. You just inverse negative 1, it will become positive 1. Remember, to solve a quadratic equation by factoring, first, you just transform the given equation to the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next, factor the left member of the equation. Third, equate to 0 each factor that contains the variable 0.